Hello everyone, this is Zubair. Welcome to ITPK. Today I want to show you how we can convert a Word file to PDF. So there are few simple steps we can convert a Word file to PDF, right? But if you don't have Microsoft Word in your computer and you got a Word file to convert it to PDF, you can also convert that. So let's go and see the first simple step, how we can convert a Word file into PDF. So I have a Word file here and I have updated few things here like number, name, and I did not update anything else, but I can edit anything I want. So I want to save this file as a PDF, right? So I have to go to file, then I have to go to save as, and I want to save it on desktop, right? Desktop, and I want to change the type of this file to PDF. There are many other options here, but here specifically I want to show you how we can convert it to only PDF, right? So I will keep everything same and I will hit the save button. So this file must be saved at my desktop with a PDF format, right? So let's go and double check. Yes, we have this file converted from Word to PDF and it's on my desktop. So now, for example, if you don't have Word in your computer or laptop and you got the Word file, right, and you wanted to convert it to PDF. So now let's assume we don't have Word installed in our computer, right, and we want to convert our Word file to PDF. So for that, you must have a Microsoft account, and that is free account, right? And it is free to convert PDF to free to convert Microsoft Word to PDF file. So if you don't have one, you can create it and you can go to directly to office.com. Okay. When I go to office.com, I have uploaded this file to my office.com account, the Microsoft account, and I don't have Word application in my computer, and I want to convert this Word file into a PDF. So let's go to the file and let's go to the save as option, right? And if you can see here, we have the option download as PDF. So let's do it. It's converting to PDF and now it's ready to download. We download and now we got the PDF file. Let's go to the folder to show you, and here you go. We got the Word file converted to PDF from our office.com account. So there are two different ways I have showed you that work extremely well. The first way, we can convert a Word file into a PDF if we had Word application into our laptop or computer, right? And the second way, if you don't have Microsoft Word set up or installed into our computer, we can go to office.com and we can upload that Word file to OneDrive, and then we can save and download that Word file as a PDF into our download folder. So that's it about today's video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing, and keep commenting. Bye.